sitting in the M4 early Saturday morning. We are going to my very first BMW car event, meet, whatever you want to call it. This is going to be pretty interesting for me. I'm used to the whole, JDM scene, going to Subaru meets and all that stuff. It'd be interesting to see how they compare. So far, we had trouble finding the place. Got my wristband, got a couple of tickets for a raffle. I guess we get breakfast too. Awesome. Right next to the CS's, got a GTS. Oh God. So as soon as we got there, I was instructed to park right up front. Kind of to my surprise, how come you don't want me to park in the back with everyone else? But then I soon realized we had a full CS lineup: M2 CS, M3 CS, M4 CS, M5 CS, and to top it all off, a GTS. That was pretty cool. They put me up front. I'm like, all right, I'll come up here in my stock car. Here in the shop, look at all the cars in there. We'll take a peek at those later. But we got breakfast too? Dude, check this out, man. Yeah, the driving sim, pool table. I've never been in here before either. This is actually a members only area. We were not supposed to be in there. We got caught by the general manager, but he was very cool about it and ended up giving us a full tour of the facility, which is freaking awesome. Wait till you see the cars that are in there.
This Elliot is our metal fab guy. He's been doing it for about 3 decades. Yeah, so we got a wash bay here.
Oh, it's a wash bay.
You know where I met this? But yeah, so this is our chef's car.
Oh wow, okay.
And this is my car. I love the interior because I like atypical Asian white car black interior.
Oh wow,
like the Stormtrooper interior.
Like the LEDs? This is awesome.
The rest of it is member storage.
Oh, okay. So you have tools you can rent out and you can rent these out and all that stuff too?
Yeah, so the members book the lifts, come in, work on their cars, and then go to the cage if you need air guns or torque wrenches or anything like that.
What's membership annually?
Or by getting monthly? Founding membership is $250 a month, and then standard membership is $150 a month. Car storage is $300 a month for standard size car. The lift, we take care of all of your oil, your coolant, any liquids that you need to get rid of.
Sorry, I'm just admiring this unicorn.
Oh, the GZ?
Yeah. Dude. This is just awesome. If you guys know, these go for what, 1.2? 1 to 2 mil?
These are so special is because they only made about 5 to 800.
Well, thank you for the tour. It's very beautiful.
Yeah.
Yeah, so there's this garage, other garage over there, standard membership over there, which is not a big deal. But yeah, feel free to walk around the garage, just stay behind the line and don't walk in.
Oh yeah.
Okay, thanks so much.
Yeah.
These air-cooled Porsches, man. Goals, of course. One day, we'll see. I like Hondas. All right, and this is the Honda that I want to buy. Now, these things were super cheap in the mid 2000s, the first gens. Still want one. All right, awesome little shop tour. We've been here for like an hour already, and we haven't even looked at any of the cars outside except for the ones that are out. They're out here serving cheesecakes. Freaking amazing. Love it. But this is absolutely freaking awesome. Awesome cars out here. I'm just geeking out like I never have before. This M2 competition. Love it. Just clean. The G80s. G82. What color is this? This M2 is absolutely beautiful, guys. Not gonna lie, I kind of feel out of place because the car is dirty. Kind of out of my control since it rained on the way up here. But definitely needs a wash when we get back. But it's cool to see an M3 and an M4 CS right next to each other in the same San Marino blue color. Nice clean E30 M3. It's cool BBSs. Definitely a car I would love to own one day. And then I came up on this beautiful E30 M3. Now I cannot tell if this is a factory original M3 or a full restoration. Either way, it is an awesome, fine specimen of an M3 that I think any of you would love to have. let's take a look at the other cars that are out here parked on the street. I glanced and I saw some cool stuff out here. I love this color, guys. If I was gonna get an M240i, definitely get one of these colors. All right, nice clean F80 on some BBSs. I love BBSs on BMWs. I know, you guys, everybody wants TEs, but I think these is just a perfect look for the F80, F82. I don't know, what do you guys think? Another cool, clean looking F82. Check this out, guys. Love this color. This color is awesome. Another GTS in the house. It's rare to see two of them in one spot. I love it. If you know, you know. Look at the carbon. I would love to have these intakes. Oh, they're only, I think this intake system is like a couple grand. I don't know, maybe one day. Still, nice clean red F80. Getting a lot of questions about my shirt. I don't know if you guys can see. It's a cool pattern on there. A lot of questions about it, but if you know, you know. What do you guys think about this green color? I don't know. It just doesn't sit well with me. It was at this point I started to get really hungry. I haven't eaten any breakfast yet, and my stomach was grumbling. So let's go ahead and grab some breakfast sandwiches, maybe a drink or two, and enjoy the rest of the show.
They don't really want to hear the truth no more. Think they scared how I make them feel. And you can say anything you want about me. I ain't worried, that don't make it real. They don't really want to hear the real no more. Think they scared how I make them act. And you can say anything you want about me. I ain't tripping, that don't make it fact. Look, coming live from the gutter like a cold puddle. When niggas water whipping, road shuttle, motherfucking whole huddle. Dutch burning, moving slow, I'm feeling like the minute hand.
On him, looking clean.
What I'm talking about. Never question nothing that was in the plan. See it from my third eye vision, so I understand. Poolside plotting moves like a dance team. 100 band scheme in the dirty with my hands clean. Never been a type of nigga that can cash straight. 5th grade, I was selling candy to my classmates. I ain't call her back, I let her think about the last date. Student of the game, and I promise you not a classmate. Problem is with these rap niggas, they move iffy in my mood picky. Can't let these niggas get rude with me. God spittin' known to keep my dick lips in it. Here to fuck the game, niggas acting like I slipped in it. Small town fly shit, bitch you never heard of these. On my apex shit, tip top vertices. Here they mouth moving, but they never moving vertically. Here to purge the niggas who been practicing the perjury. Black Lord, noble Drew shit, big steppin'. Love them all, give a fuck about the click reppin'. Small losses always taught a nigga big lessons. Quit stressing, liberating knowledge, make the shit lesson. They don't really wanna hear the truth no more. Think they scared how I make them feel.
All right, so my first BMW meet is now a wrap. Absolutely enjoyed my time here. Very, very good first impression of my first BMW meet, and hopefully more to come. So definitely interested in coming to more BMW meets in the future. Really, really cool people, guys. I'm really impressed. But other than that, enjoyed my time. Wish to do more. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Peace out.
I ain't worried, that don't make it real. They don't really want to hear the real no more. Think they scared how I make them act. And you can say anything you want about me. I ain't tripping, that don't make it fact. That don't make it fact, nigga. Fuck you mean?